In this video we'll talk about the item list text element. So item list is a very dynamic functionality where you can render multiple records from Salesforce into the item list. So if you look at the text, you've got this here, it's called item 1, 2 and 3. Click on the setting, you've got different options. You can have two variants, vertical or horizontal, and then you can align from the start, the center, whatever works for you. You've got lots of different options available here, so you can play around with this. You can also write conditions. For example, if a certain target equals XYZ, you can run a condition on it. You can also write animation and then obviously give it a metadata. But the main functionality out of all of them is Salesforce. If you look under the content, you've got the configure button there. If you click on that, what you can do is you can just get rid of all of these, and over the top here, which says want to use Salesforce instead, you can click configure here. Let's say I want to bring back 20 opportunities, and I click next, no conditions, and we will simply bring back the label. So the label can be any field, the URL can be any URL behind it. Let's say I choose like a full screen image, it is actually a URL. And then open in, you can set up a field in Salesforce that can open in blank, modal, or whatever have you. For me, I'm just not going to bother selecting because I don't want to open anything. So click apply, click save, and then let's run a publish. Now it may be that I need to set this up as on load, so let's see what happens. Loading, okay, I don't need to. But as you can see, here it is. These are all my opportunities pulled across in an item list. Looks really, really nice. And again, you can have an on-click action where if they click on any of these opportunities, they can be redirected to a specific page with more details. And just like that, you can also do vertical. So same way, we'll click this, choose save, do publish, launch the site, and then now you'll see upon rendering, it's all rendered vertically like that. And this is a great functionality for a portal or even a website. You can render a lot of data from Salesforce and have them click into it for more details. And yeah, that's how it's done.